I'm going to show you how you can access your WhatsApp on your desktop. The first thing you have to do is to go to your web browser, and either in the address bar or in the search bar you type download. In the search bar you would type WhatsApp download, or in the address bar you go to the website, which is whatsapp.com. Go to the web page, and it brings you here, and here on the web page it shows you that WhatsApp is available for Android, iPhone, and therefore it would be available for Mac or Windows PC. I use a Windows PC machine, so I'm selecting Windows PC, and on the next page that comes it shows you again images of what it supports, either Windows, Android, or iPhone, and so on the right side it shows you that it's available for Mac or Windows PC. Now, because I use a Windows PC and my machine is 64-bit, I would select this. But if it were not, I would have to find the correct version. There's a 32-bit version available, and if I were on a Mac computer, it says here it's available for Mac operating system 10 and higher. Anyways, let me download for my system, which is Windows 64. I'm downloading, and as soon as I click on that, it begins to download the file. As soon as this blue line makes a complete circle and it disappears, I'm ready to install the app. So double click on that app, or click on the app, and it brings you to another page, which is this. So it brings you this, something is happening in the background, the installation is taking place. As soon as this is finished, another page will appear. It's taking a long time. And this page appears, and it really gives you the instructions what you need to do. It says to use WhatsApp on your computer, open WhatsApp on your phone. So to do that, you go to your menu, open WhatsApp on your phone, and you go to the three dots on the top right corner of WhatsApp, and you click on those dots. That's a menu, and a pull down menu appears. It gives you one of them is WhatsApp Web. Select WhatsApp Web, and on the next page that comes up on the top right corner is a plus sign for my Android phone. So I click on that plus, and then you'll notice a barcode reader comes up. Take that reader and align it with this barcode on the phone, on the computer. And immediately, well, almost immediately, you will find that it brings up a reflection of the exact accounts you have on your phone. Now, there are some things to note about this. Some are advantages. The good thing is that, remember, the computer is a reflection of what you have on your phone. So any change you make on your computer will be reflected on your phone, and vice versa. The images are larger, of course, on your computer for those who are vision impaired, and the phone must be on in order for the WhatsApp on your computer to be opened. And not only just on, but it must be connected to Wi-Fi. One big disadvantage is though, remember when you're not on your computer to log out of your WhatsApp there, because somebody else who is coming to use your computer can access your WhatsApp on your phone even if you're not in that app on your phone, as long as you are connected to Wi-Fi. So therefore, if you work in an office, I would discourage you to use that on your office computers, because you may walk away, and as long as somebody can access your phone via Wi-Fi, they are going to be able to go into your WhatsApp message if you are logged into a computer and you did not log out. And these are some advantages and disadvantages of using WhatsApp on your computer. Thanks for watching.